Just imagine if your law firm would be getting this much traffic to the website. See, this tool is Semrush and it gives a rough idea of how much traffic a website is getting. And as we can see that this law firm in UK is getting 93,500 organic traffic. Organic traffic means that whenever we type a keyword on Google, some websites show up on top, and that's completely free traffic. Like for example, if I just type here, let me show you personal injury law firm UK. If I type this and see, here are the results. All these top rankings, this is called the organic results. That's the local pack 3, and these are the organic results. And see, they are ranking, and they are not spending a single penny on Google ads. They are ranking organically, and Google is rewarding them for their best SEO practices, and your website could be one of those. So the reason to make this video is that to show you that how competitors are getting more traffic than your website, and how you could also achieve this level of traffic for your website and get more leads and more sales. Because if you get more leads, you will be able to close more clients, and that's how it works. So all this is a game of organic traffic. We can clearly see this: 93,500 organic traffic and 14 is paid traffic, which means they're not spending really good on ads. And the best part is that they don't really have to, since they are getting huge traffic from organic side. See, they are ranking on 18,100 keywords, so why would they be needing to spend money on paid ads? My name is Navid Ganatra. I run an SEO agency called MCR SEO Pro. Let me show you my website. This is my website. We help businesses, especially law firms, rank on Google, and that's what we are here for. Now, this is just one website I'm showing you. Now, let's dive deep at what they are doing, how much traffic they are getting, and this is the law firm that's called Osborne's Law. Their overall traffic is organic traffic is 93,500. They have like 30,000 backlinks, and ranking on organic keywords like 18,100. The authority score is very good since they've been into this market for quite a long. See, overall, let me just check. They are into this market since July 2019 and it's June 2026. So we can clearly see it's July 2026 actually. So we can see that it's been like 7 years, and their website traffic started to spike from 2024. So with this 2 years of effort on their website, see, they are doing great. So if I take it from like July, if I take it from January 2024, 2025, 2026, it's been 2.5 years, and see what they are doing. They are just doing wonders in the organic world, and they do not have to worry about spending money on paid ads because they are doing amazing in the organic. Let me show you their keywords. Now we can see that just two keywords are the brand traffic. Like if anyone knows Osborne, they will search with their name and they show up on top. That's totally understood. That's called brand keywords. But apart from that, see, all these are consideration based keywords. SEO is the only thing that can make this happen. If you do good search engine optimization of your website, semantically optimize your website, do proper keyword research, build proper authority for your website, so you get these types of results. See, they have created plenty of pages. Let me show you how many pages they have on their website. That is 705 pages, and they like dived into the micros of their industry. For example, personal injury. So they've created like cycle accident, personal injury main page, and then cycle accident claims, and there's much more. Let me show you. Road accident compensation, and then there's motorcycle accident lawyer. So they've dived deep into their industry, and they haven't left any loose end. And not just the practice area pages, they've also created blog pages also. So they are doing blogs as well for their website. So this keeps their website fresh and gives Google the signal that we keep on updating our content. We are the best in terms of law, so keep ranking us. So that's the signal they are giving to Google, and Google is rewarding them with really good traffic. So a website that gets 90 more than 93,000. And let me tell you one more shocking fact. This is the third party tool. It gives a rough idea. If you want to understand the real traffic of their website, just double this number, because the real traffic comes in the Google Search Console that every website owner has the access to only. So these third party tools are giving the rough idea, and this rough idea tells us that they are doing really good. And uh, if we look at the webmaster, the Google Search Console that gives the actual traffic, obviously we won't be having access to, because only website owners has the access to it. So in the market, this they are doing really good. So we can have an idea of how much traffic they will be giving and how much clients they will be closing. Obviously, let me show you their top pages. These are the top pages: home page, lawyers page, personal injury pages. See, the top pages are mostly the personal injury, main and sub pages. Personal injury, then cycling accident, personal injury, no win no fee, personal injury, road accident compensation, personal injury, accident at work claim, and then blogs, and then property law. So they are doing really amazing in the organic world. Now, what makes their content so high quality? What exactly they are doing that they are winning in this? Because let me tell you, let me clear the confusion. Many people have confusion that we are going to buy some backlinks from Fiverr, like 1 million backlinks for like $20, and we will rank. No, that's not how it works. Google is really smart. It can totally understand how people are trying to play tactics, and just because of that, Google keeps on launching the new algorithm updates. Let me show you the recent algorithm update. Recent Google algorithm update for law firms. Let me show you this. For law firm and financial companies, financial advisors, they keep on launching the update that is called YMYL, which is your money, your life. For that, they never rank a law firm that practices any like gray hat or black hat ranking tactics. They only prefer EEAT, which is experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Any website, any law firm that shows these four items on their website, Google only rewards those websites. Otherwise, any bad activities can lead to severe penalties, and the law websites should refrain from these practices. So for all these things, you need a good SEO expert, a good SEO agency that can take care of all these things. Because obviously, if you want to win clients, if you want to grow your law firm business, you will need a good SEO expert. And I have already introduced myself. I have the YouTube channel as well. I teach SEO. I have my clients. I take care of their websites and make sure that they are ranking constantly. Now let's check their website, how they are doing. See, that's the intro, that's the hero section of their website. In first of all, their main keyword is here, and then their semantic variant and the introduction, and it also has keywords in them. Work solicitors, semantic variants they are called. And now let's begin with the content. So here is an introduction. Now, whenever it comes to content, it is important to ensure that it gives a complete topical coverage. That we need to make sure that whosoever comes to our page, they get a complete information about the topic, and that's what Google prefers, and that is called topical authority, topical coverage. So for that, there are a few items that need to be ensured, like topical coverage, topical authority. There should not be any content dilution. For example, if you're talking about one aspect of that topic, so in the next section you do not abruptly talk about something else, but to continue that thing, so if we move on to the next aspect of that same topic. For example, while discussing one topic, if you directly move on to another, that is called diluting the content, and that is not something Google would appreciate. Because if we want to rank, we need to make sure of that as well. And while doing content for my clients, I definitely make sure of all these things, and that's why my clients rank. And apart from that, we need to make sure that we build contextual bridges. Like, contextual bridge is called a connection between one section to another. If we are discussing one topic and one aspect is discussed in one section, so while moving to another section, we need to build that contextual bridge so that totally makes sense to the user, and they could understand that how they are flowing towards the next section. So that is because that is something that adds up to the user experience. We do not want to bore the users. We want to keep them engaged till the end of that page, because we want to deliver the full message on that. And that's exactly what they have done. We see here they started with the introduction, and then they talked about their expertise, which I just mentioned about EEAT: expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. So expertise is something that they covered here, that shows their authority as well. And the types of accident that lead to claim, now they are giving the information. How do I make a work accident claim? Now they are giving the guidance to the user. See, making sure that the content is user friendly is very important, because see, this is the law firm. They could easily write the most difficult jargon like subpoena language, so no one could understand, but that's not how it works. They need to make sure that the whosoever reading is not a lawyer. Whatever they read, they should be able to understand as well, and that's what they ensured here. What are my rights if I suffer? See, that's the third person language. So whosoever is reading would be concerned like, what are my rights? How do I get the insurance? How do I get full pay if injured at work? So that's what people, the questions that people have, and that's how they try to cater all these things. Accident at work stories, now that's the proof, like they have previously done what, now that's the proof that what they have previously done, which in which they have added their case studies. Now here is another. Now that's what I call experience, like they have tackled these cases previously, and they are giving a clear signal to Google, because before before the user reads, Google will read, or and only then Google will rank it. So they have given a clear signal to Google that we have taken care of these cases earlier, and here's the proof. So they have given the proof of their experience. So we have covered like expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, and that's what they are taking care of this. Here is the proof of trustworthiness. They have clearly shown that one of their clients has given them good review, and this is just a display on their website. They have also linked their Trustpilot, so Google could go and verify it from that link as well. So that's another, so that's the proof for trustworthiness. So they've covered all four things like expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness with such high quality content, with all the aspects added. Why Google would not rank this website? And that's the reason why Google is ranking, and they are getting hundreds of clients every month. So these things, obviously your law firm would have, obviously you are a solicitor, you are a lawyer, you would be having all these experiences. And since your law firm is also established, it's just that Google doesn't know much about it. You just have to tell the Google how. You just need to hire a good SEO agency, a good SEO expert who can take care of all these things, who could plan a content for you based on your experience. We can add all these things to your websites, plan a content accordingly, create relevant pages, add content, regularly update your website, and we can take care of all these things for you. So just give us a chance and contact us, and I will be there for you. I will be assisting you at every point, and I will make sure that your websites rank to this level, that you also get these types of traffic and regular inquiries to the website, and your business gets stable with this. See, that's the graph that I aim for my clients, and I make sure that this happens. So that is something you need to achieve. And when you get to this level, and you will start seeing regular inquiries on your in your inboxes, when people will come to your website and fill out the form, and your mailbox will keep popping with good inquiries. So that's what makes the difference, and that's what SEO is all about. You will realize that you are not paying anything else, just except for the monthly SEO recurring fee. You are not spending on ads, you are not doing anything, just taking care of the SEO, and you keep getting inquiries, and that's what matters the most. So if you need any help with that, you can just, i've given you i've I've given my contact information. You can contact me directly. You can check my YouTube channel as well. I have two channels. This one is in English. I have the Urdu YouTube channel as well in Urdu language. So you can check my channels as well. I teach SEO for free, and I run my SEO agency and take care of my SEO clients and make sure that they are getting good leads and good inquiries. So you can get in touch with me. I offer free consultation, so we can align on a call and I can show you my work. Just go and check out my website and just let me know if you need any help with the SEO. And if you like this video, if you found this content helpful, please just like, share and comment. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.